First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer files from laptop to iPhone, run the software on your laptop. Connect your iPhone to your laptop via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. To transfer files from your laptop to your iPhone, click Books as an example. Click the Import option. Choose the files you want to transfer to your iPhone, then click Open. The chosen files will be transferred to your iPhone.